Good morning, students. Good morning, students. So we have started this chapter, rational numbers, and few three exercise I have given you in the holiday homework. So I am doing a little bit revision of the concepts that you have learned in the previous class. So first exercise we have discussed and we have revised. Now let's moving on to the next exercise 1.2. So we have to solve this. So what was the procedure? You will take the LCM of this. LCM is 21. So 3 into 7 is 21. Then 7 into 3 is 21. Then 21 into 1 is, so you will get 14 plus minus 18 plus 1. So when you solve, you will get minus 3 upon 21 or minus 1 upon 7. Okay. Then we have to prove that associative property does not exist in case of the subtraction. So for that we have to prove these two are not equal to each other. So first we will calculate this left hand side value. So what is A? Minus 4 upon 9. What is B? 7 upon 3. And C is 11 upon 6. So when you solve it, what you will get? LCM will be 9 will be the LCM, minus 4 and minus 21 minus 11 upon 6. So you will get minus 25 upon 9 minus 11 upon 6. Okay. So next we will take the LCM of 9 and 6. So LCM of 9 and 6 will be 18. So 9 into 2 and 6 into 3. You will get minus 50 minus 33, that is minus 83 upon 80. So this is the value of left hand side. Now we will calculate the value of right hand side, that is A minus B minus C. So what is A? Minus 4 upon 9. B is 7 upon 3 minus 11 upon 6. So minus LCM will be 6. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 1. You will get 14 minus 11. That is minus 4 upon 9 minus 3 upon 6. Then again we will take the LCM of these two. So what is the LCM? 6 and 9. 18 will be the LCM. 9 into 2 is 18 and 6 into 3 minus 8 minus 9 minus 17 upon 18. Okay. So this was my LHS and this was my RHS, and it is very clear they are not equal to each other. So we can write it as, we can say that A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. And which property we have just proved that it does not exist for subtraction? Associative property. So associative property never exists for subtraction. Then let's see one more type. Question number 8. What should be subtracted from 1 by 8? What should be subtracted from 1 by 8 so that the result is minus 5 by 8? So although you have done this question again in the previous class, so that number is x. So we will make an equation. Okay. This number is subtracted from 1 by 8 and your result is minus 5 by 8. So what I am going to do, I am going to bring this minus 5 by 8 here, it becomes 5 by 8, and this x I am going to bring it here. So it becomes minus x, it becomes plus x. Then 8 will be the LCM. You will get 6 upon 8 or 3 upon 4. So what is x equal to? 3 upon 4. So this number must be subtracted from 1 by 8 so that your result is minus 5 by 8. Form the equation, then transfer the variable here to make into the plus sign. Transfer this constant value here, and solve it, you will get the answer. Then let's see one more time. 11th, subtract the sum of from the sum of. So from this sum we have to subtract the sum of 14 upon 11 and 13 upon 33. Okay, subtract the sum of, from this sum we have to subtract this sum. Okay, subtract the sum of this from this. So solve the individual values. 11 and 22, LCM is 22. 11 into 2, 22. 22 into 1, 22. 16 plus 3 minus 33 LCM. 11 into 3, 33. 33 into 1, 33. 42 plus 13. Okay. Then it becomes 19 upon 22 minus 55 upon 33. So again, see, 11 5s are 11 into 3. So I got 19 upon 22 minus 5 upon 3. Next we will take the LCM. And what is the LCM of this? LCM will be 66. So 22 into 3, 66. And 3 into 22 is 66. So you will get 57 minus 110. And your answer will be minus 53 upon 66. So this value you will got. Okay. Subtract the sum from the sum. So in the questions likes of this, you first just make the simple expression like this, then you will solve bracket wise. Okay, let's discuss one more problem. So we have to compute this. So likewise, first you will solve the bracket. 21 will be the LCM. 7 into 3, 21. 21 into 1, 21. So you will get 33 minus 5. Then again minus 28 upon 21. Then after little bit of simplification, you will get minus 11 upon 5 minus 4 upon 3. Then we will take the LCM again. 5 into 3 and 3 into 5. Minus 33 minus 20. So answer is minus 53 upon 50. Okay. Then in these types we have to fill in the blanks. So instead of this blank I have assumed the value as x. So again it form a same kind of question that we have solved already. I will take this minus x here. This minus sign is with x. And this whole quantity here. So it looks like this. Minus 23 upon 72 equal to plus x. Then 36 into 272 minus 10 minus 23 equal to x. So x you will get minus 33 upon 72, or if you want to solve, you can solve minus 11. So x is minus 11 upon 24. Okay. So this is how you can solve the questions related to this subtraction and form the equations in the questions likes of this. Take the variable to the side where it becomes positive. Here it was negative, so I have taken this variable here and I brought this constant value here. So it becomes plus x and it becomes minus 23 upon 72. Then let's discuss the multiplication or division of rational numbers. So let's see, many times you have solved the questions. See, whenever you are doing the multiplication of the rational numbers, so no need to multiply the denominators and numerators together. First we will try to simplify it like this: 11 into 3, then 8 into 3. Now you cannot do further simplification, so you just simply multiply. You will get 3 into 9 into 3, 27 upon 7. Then suppose we have to solve the expression likes of this. So again we will not multiply, first we will simplify. It cancel out, 2 into 2. So what you will get? Minus 13 upon 5 plus 13 upon 18. Then you will take the LCM. 18 and 15 LCM will be 90. 15 into 18 and 18 into 5. So you will get 234 plus 45, and finally your answer will be 2. Then if you wish to simplify it one more time, you can simplify 9. So minus 21 upon 10 will be your answer. Okay, so there is a little bit calculation mistake. It is actually 13 into 5 is 65. So here you will get so your answer will be minus 169 upon 90. Okay.